Hi, nice to meet you. I am Juan Felipe Lopera. I'm going to tell you about my plans and expectation for the future. Initially, I will finish my professional studies as a zootechnician. The latter, I will study a specialization and agribusiness. I love the business world and contact with other people. In addition, um, I will continue preparing myself permanently. Since I am about to graduate, I will start a business with my friend Stefania. She will soon finish her studies in agricultural business administration. In our business, we will sell healthy food products. Um, in the next 5 years, I will have my own apartment. I have saved for it. I can also access housing subsidies, although for this I must apply. Another of my expectation is to see my children graduate as professionals. I am going to pay for their university and I will try accompany them in the process as much as possible. In the next 10 years, thanks to my business, I will have economic and financial stability. Likewise, thanks to this, I will enjoy a good pension. Together with my life partner, we will buy a country house. We will invite the whole family, and we will spend with them good times. All of us will enjoy wonderful moments there. My friends will visit me. Some neighbors will also come by to say hello. We will play with the pets and prepare cookies. I will have a peaceful oasis. Um, enjoy good health because I will take care of my nutrition habits. Finally, together as a family or alone with my wife, um, we will travel a lot to see new places. Um, First, we will start locally, and then we will visit places like Egypt, the Holy Land. Um, Thank you. See you soon.